Imagine having a personal space where you can freely put down your ideas without pressure, judgment, or perfectionism. A place where you're allowed to sketch, make mistakes, and start over. Sounds good, right? That's exactly what a simple sketchbook practice can offer. A doorway to your purest, freest, and most authentic creativity. Believe it or not, this practice might even help reveal and shape your purpose as an artist. Today, let's explore how a sketchbook can transform your creative process and even your perception of art and yourself. By the way, if you're tired of drawing and feeling like nothing is improving, pay attention. Marc Brunet's Art School for Digital Artists was what pulled my drawings out of stagnation and gave me an insane boost. It's like going through an art school, but for a fraction of the price and only with what really matters: perspective, anatomy, color, composition, and much more, all explained step by step, from beginner to advanced. It is, by far, the best and most complete art course on the market. Don't waste time stuck at the same level. The link's in the description. Check it out now. Let's get back to the video. Unlocking creativity. The importance of consistent practice. Many people think creativity is a talent that only a few possess. But in reality, creativity is like a muscle. The more you exercise it, the stronger it gets. And a sketchbook is the perfect place for these creativity exercises. Here, you don't have to make flawless art. You don't have to post it or show it to anyone. It's just you and the paper. Why is this so powerful? Because the sketchbook becomes a safe space to experiment. It's like a testing zone where you can try different techniques, play with styles, draw with your eyes closed, make quick scribbles, or create something completely abstract, without fear of mistakes. This freedom to explore is what begins to unlock true creativity. With frequent practice, something interesting happens. Your brain starts recognizing patterns, connecting ideas, and finding solutions to creative blocks more quickly and naturally. You start understanding what works for you, what excites you, and what drains you. The sketchbook becomes almost like a mirror, reflecting your creative evolution, frustrations, and discoveries. Discovering your style. Another magical aspect of the sketchbook is its incredible role in helping you find your own style. At first, it's natural to imitate the style of artists you admire. That's part of learning. But over time, with the habit of recording your ideas and inspirations, you'll start to see a style emerging, a way of drawing, or even a set of themes that reflect who you truly are as an artist. This process can be subtle. Maybe you'll notice you love drawing nature scenes, or that you're drawn to creating expressive characters, or prefer a minimalist approach. When these preferences start to appear in your sketchbook, it's as if you're slowly uncovering your unique style, something that goes beyond external influences. It's your artistic voice, something only you can bring to the world. This is important because the art world is vast and diverse. Your vision, your touch, your way of seeing the world are unique and need space to grow. With a sketchbook, you allow this voice to emerge naturally, without the pressure to please others or follow trends. Connecting with the present. The power of art as meditation. Have you ever heard of art as meditation? It's an idea gaining traction, and for good reason. When you sit down with your sketchbook, free of expectations and distractions, and begin to draw or doodle, you enter a flow state, a state of total immersion. In that moment, you're fully present. Worries about the past and future disappear, and the only thing that matters is what you're creating right then and there. This is more powerful than it seems. Beyond being relaxing, this moment of total presence helps strengthen your connection with yourself. Many people find relief from anxiety and stress by practicing this artistic meditation. And the more you practice, the easier it becomes to reach this flow state. So, the sketchbook becomes not only a place to hone your skills, but also a refuge for calm and introspection. This connection with the present benefits not only your mental health, but also your art. After all, it's in this state that the most authentic ideas and profound insights emerge. It's there, between one line and the next, that you begin to understand yourself better and, consequently, understand more clearly what you want to express as an artist. Developing a habit. Now that we understand the transformative power of a sketchbook, here's the question: how do you make it a habit? Many people start with enthusiasm, but lose momentum. So here's a tip: start small and be kind to yourself. You don't need to fill an entire page every day. How about setting aside just 5 to 10 minutes? Instead of aiming for a grand masterpiece, focus on creating something simple. It could be a doodle, a pattern, or a quick idea that popped into your head. The important thing is to establish the habit of picking up your sketchbook every day. Over time, this habit will take root and become as natural as brushing your teeth. And the more you do it, the easier it becomes. Another helpful tip is to set a fixed time, like before bed or right after you wake up. And remember, the sketchbook is not a place for perfection. It's a space to process your ideas and explore, so leave perfectionism aside. Consistency will help you see progress over time, which is what truly matters. Exploring and innovating. How the sketchbook can reveal new passions. As you practice, you may start discovering artistic interests you never imagined. Perhaps you always worked in black and white and suddenly realize you love experimenting with colors. Or maybe you find a fascination with a specific theme, like architecture, nature, or facial expressions. The sketchbook is the perfect place to test out these new ideas. Think of it as a creativity lab where there are no mistakes. Test different materials, try new techniques, challenge yourself with unusual themes. You may even find that something you started as a fun experiment becomes a true passion and even a new direction for your work. Finding your purpose. The sketchbook as a personal map. In the end, what might seem like a simple notebook of doodles could end up revealing something much bigger. Your purpose. When you practice, explore, experiment, and challenge yourself in a sketchbook, you're continually reconnecting with your artistic self. It's there that your interests, passions, and most authentic ideas appear without filter. And here's what's interesting. When you look back and revisit old sketchbooks, you can see a line, an evolution. From one drawing to another, you may notice recurring themes and ideas while others were left behind. This process of looking back and reflecting on what you've done and what you still want to do helps create a personal map of your purpose as an artist. Your purpose might lie in those small things you love to scribble without overthinking. Those recurring lines and themes reveal a lot about what's important to you. It's as if the sketchbook were a mirror showing not only your technical evolution, but also your path and values. So why not start now? Grab a notebook, a pen, and start without overthinking it. Don't wait for the perfect moment or the perfect notebook. Start today, even if it's just with a few loose doodles. Little by little, you'll see how this simple practice can open creative pathways and even help you discover what truly inspires and motivates you. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next ones. Thanks a lot for watching, and don't forget to check the description. There are several important links that can help you even more. See you in the next video.